Running this 2001 Yamaha 8-horse long shaft 4-stroke after going through the carb. The carb itself didn't look too horrible, but before I reconnected the hose to the carb before reinstalling everything, I pumped some out into this clear container, and you can see all that crap on the bottom is water, and the stuff up top is the fuel. So definitely a fuel issue with all this water and crap in the fuel. The engine itself is running good. I'm using my tank and my hose. I flushed the fuel system before connecting the car back on. I also pulled that little cap off right there so I could tune the carb. That's as low as the idle will go on it. It will go lower if I manually push this down, and that's more where it should be idling at. But with all this crap on there, it's not letting everything seat right. It's a weird setup how they have this set up on there. But I tried adjusting the throttle linkage and everything else, but just the way that it's this is on there, that's as low as it'll go without putting more pressure on it, and you can't really do that. So that's the idle. But the motor itself is running damn good. Mud dauber clogged that up. Let me unclog that real quick. There we go. If you clog that hole up, that's why I was bubbling so much in there. I'll put my finger over it. You get more exhaust coming down low. But at lower speeds, a lot of your exhaust comes from up top. But yeah, mud daubers. But as far as the motor running, it's running damn good now. Definitely fuel related, and that also has me questioning the big motor as well, as if that fuel is running off the same tank and everything. I just pumped this primer bulb right here with the fuel line disconnected from the carb, and that's what I got out of it. All that stuff is what came out of it. And if it's connected to the same fuel system, so I got my hose hooked up and everything. His is disconnected and moved over here. But the motor itself is running damn good. Here, I'll go inside real quick and put it in the gear real quick. I'll put it in reverse so I won't shoot too much water out. Here's reverse. I don't want to put it in forward because it'll shoot a lot of the water out. And this, you can, if you pull it out, you can manually give it throttle without shifting it. But this motor's running good. Partially carb, partially fuel, mostly fuel.